Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cite in Jenni AI. So first of all, open up your browser. Now once you're in the browser, go straight to Jenni AI, jenni.ai, hit enter. Now once you're at the website, log in using your account. So here I'm in a document in Jenni AI. Now let's say I want to add a citation after this line. Mercedes-Benz is a German-based automotive producer. Now place your cursor after that, and after that type in at the rate of. It will open up the citation window. Now you can get citation from three options right here. Now you can go for all, and in here you would have all the citations that is related to the text that you just wrote here. You can go to discover as well, which is basically the same stuff as all, but the library stuff is also included in all version. You can also filter it out by clicking on this button right here. You can filter out by relevance, most recent and oldest. I'll go for, let's say, the oldest one. And here is the oldest citation that matches with the text that you just wrote here, which dates back to 2001. Now, if you click on library right here, now in the library right here, you can upload your own citations as well. But for that purpose, you would have to upload them in PDF format. Now, if you don't want that and you want to add a citation from the web, you can do that as well. Just simply scroll down and look for add custom citation at the bottom right here. Click on it. Now in here, you will have to select the content type of the citation that you want to add. I will go for, let's say, website, because the citation I will be taking from is from Wikipedia. So it's a website. So I'm just going to select website. You can type in the title of the citation. I will go for, let's say, Mercedes Benz, and after that leave the access date as it is. Now after that you would have to type in the website title. I will go for Wikipedia, as I'm be going for Wikipedia. Now after that type in the day. I will go for, what's the date? It's 13. What's the month? It's 8. You would have to just simply type in this date but in numbers, and after that go for 2024. You can add authors if you want. I will leave that blank, and after that you would have to paste in the URL of the web page or the website from which you're taking the citation. As I'm taking it from Wikipedia, so let me just go to Wikipedia. Here I have opened it in the new tab. Just click on it. After that, just simply copy the URL right here, go back to Jenni and just simply paste in the URL, and after that click on save. And as you guys can see, the citation has been added to my document. Mercedes-Benz is a German-based automotive producer, and after that, here is the citation. You can remove it as well if you want to by just clicking on this button right here. So that is how you can add citations in Jenni.